Are you a beat maker looking to increase your sales and customer reach using ChatGPT? Well, you've come to the right place, because in this video I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to create marketing emails for your Beat store that will help you rack up the stacks and stay in touch with your customers. So let's get it. Okay, cool. So I have the link for ChatGPT in the description below. Click on the link, you'll come to this page, and when you get to this page, just go to try ChatGPT. Then click on log in or sign up. If you don't have an account, it's free. I already have one. I'm just gonna sign up. So I'm gonna show you how I make my email campaigns with ChatGPT, and actually I'm working on a real live campaign right now. Okay, cool. So since now we've logged into ChatGPT, what we need to do is give it some prompts. So as I said, I want to create an email campaign for my Beat store. So I want to make an email campaign about 40% off on all my beats for this weekend. So I'm gonna type this for you guys right now so you can see how I communicate with ChatGPT so I can get the best results. So first I'm gonna introduce myself. Hi, I'm Reggie Beatz. I have a beat store called reggiebeatz.com. My beat store sells and lists hip-hop beats. This is just me giving it some background so it knows who to talk about and it knows who to reference in the email that it's gonna create. And now I'm gonna also give it some additional information. When the client buys my beats, I get their emails and store them so I can send them emails about my beats. So one thing about ChatGPT, you don't have to, use the best English as long as it can understand you and you give it the correct context. Okay, I'm just a marketing. Okay, cool. So now I'm gonna tell it what I want to do. So I'm gonna tell ChatGPT what it must do for me. I want you to create a campaign about 40% off my beat sales. The sale is invalid until 27th of March. Okay, so now I'm gonna tell ChatGPT how to do it for me, since I already told it what to do for me. Please do not use any promotional words or spammy words, because I want this email to land in the inbox of Gmail, not the promotional tag. Okay, so I can go on and on and on to make it give me the best one. So I think what I can do now is just maybe give it some words to avoid. So I just saw this website that shows you a list of keywords and spam triggers that can cause your email to be in the promotional or in the spam. So I'll just maybe copy all of them. Here is a list of promotional and spammy words to avoid. Then I'm gonna paste those spammy words from the list that I got from the other side here. And once I paste it, then I'll just also add this. Please make this email personal and less salesy. Then I'm gonna hit enter and wait. There we go. Now it's starting to write. So as ChatGPT was writing, I've realized that it has said we instead of I. So I clicked on stop generate and I wrote please use I instead of we. Then I hit enter again. Here's the revised email. The subject says get 40% off on all hip-hop beats from Reggie Beatz. The email content says, dear customer, as someone who's supporting my beat store Reggie Beatz, I wanted to personally let you know about my limited time offer to get 40% off on all hip-hop beats until March 27th of 2023. I know how important it is to find the right beats to match your creative solution. That's why I want to offer you a chance to save big and get your hands on some of the hottest beat deals. Simply visit my website www.reggiebeatz.com. Use the code MARCH40 at checkout to receive a discount. Remember, this offer is only available until the 27th of March 2023. So don't wait to take advantage of this amazing deal. Thank you for choosing Reggie Beatz for your beat needs. I look forward to hearing your next hit. Best regards, Reggie Beatz. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna copy all of this. I'm gonna put it on my MailChimp account. So if you don't have MailChimp, I got the link in the description below so you can set it up, because you need that so you can send bulk emails. So I'm gonna go to my MailChimp, then I'm gonna go to create. I'm gonna go to create regular email. Okay, cool. So I'll go to add the subject, which is, I'm gonna go back to my site. The subject is this, get 40% off. I'm gonna copy that, I'm gonna paste this here, and the preview text, I'm gonna leave it as is for now for this tutorial. And then I'm gonna go to content where I design the email, and I'm gonna copy this email, everything. So you can change a couple of things, like what I'm gonna do now, you'll see. So now I need to choose a design for the email. I'm gonna get the simple text. Okay, then I'm gonna delete this one here because I want the email to be like a natural email with normal text. I'm gonna delete this block here, delete. Then here where there's this text, I'm gonna click on edit, and here I'm gonna paste all of that text. Here where it says dear customer, I'm gonna select it and go to merge tags and put first name, so you can put the first name of the customer. So in terms of the font, I'm gonna make it a bit bigger. So let's see how 14 looks like. Okay, let's see how 16 looks like. Okay, this looks better. And I'm gonna also center it because it's easier to read when it's coming from the center. Okay, cool. Now I'm gonna click on continue because my email is done. Or what you can do is change a couple of things. What I can change here is this. I'm gonna put my discount code, which is RBB40, and yeah, there we go. Maybe words that I would change of this would be, let's say limited time. It might cause it to seem like it's salesy, but we'll see. Click on continue. Okay, cool. Now I'm gonna send the test email. Send test email because everything is added here. I'm gonna send the test email to see if it lands in the inbox. I'm gonna send it to my email. Cool. Now I'm gonna go check my email. Okay, cool. As you can see, the email did land in my inbox for the test, and when I open it, okay, that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button, hit the sub button, because I'll be posting more videos like this, and I'll see you on the next one. If you have any questions, put them down in the description below, and I'll see you all on the next one. I'm out.